As we need physical exercise to keep our body strong and healthy, similarly, we need mental exercise to keep our mind strong and healthy. This mental exercise is called meditation. In the last of this video, I will practice with you 5 minutes of body scanning guided meditation so that as a complete beginner, you can get an idea what is exactly meditation, how does it work, and how you can implement in your day-to-day life. In the later section of this video, I will also answer some of the frequently asked questions such as how should I meditate? How long should I meditate? How often should I meditate? What is exactly meditation is? What is mindfulness? And so on. Now before we do that, let's try to understand what is exactly meditation is and how does it work. The term meditation comes from the Latin word meditum, which means to ponder or to concentrate or giving your fully attention only on just one thing, either as a religious way or as a way of being calmed and relaxed. Meditation practice is not just for monks, hermits, priests or older aged people as I used to believe. On the contrary of that, everyone should cultivate this practice in their day-to-day life, irrespective of your age, caste, sex or religion. There are different types and techniques of meditation such as Zen meditation, yoga meditation, chant meditation, chakra meditation and so on. But the ultimate purpose of being into a meditative state is to increase the degree of self-realization, empathy and compassion within, which you can do just by focusing on your breathe in and breathe out. As a complete beginner, when you go into a meditative state, random thoughts will pop up in your head, but do not worry for that. That is the part of the process. All you have to do just observe the thought and bring back your attention to the normal pace of your breathe in and breathe out. In this way, you can increase your focus in the long run. Now let's answer some of the frequently asked questions regarding meditation. What are the benefits of meditation? Well, there are a number of physical and mental benefits of regular meditation practice. It helps you in many ways such as stress management, anxiety management, lowers blood pressures, regulates mood, increase your self-realization. It improves your memory that helps you learn things faster, and the only difference between achievers and average people is this: achievers learn, implement and execute things faster. What is mindfulness? Dagmola Sakya, a Buddhist monk, says meditation is not just practicing for a few minutes, just sitting on a cushion while practicing your day-to-day life, every move, every breath, while eating, drinking, walking or reading books or in your day-to-day life. This state of meditation is called mindfulness, more powerful than meditation. How to start meditate as a beginner? For this, all you need is a mat. Choose a calm and clean environment. You can do it indoor. Personally, I choose to sit outdoor in a fresh, airy environment. Sit in a straight back posture. Keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra, or you can fold your hands in your lap as you feel comfortable. Now focus on your breathe in and breathe out. As any random thought come to your head, bring back your attention on your breathe in and breathe out. In this way, you can increase your focus in the long run by practicing regularly. How long should I meditate? Well, there is no fixed duration for this. But as they say, 10 minutes is a great duration for that. But as a complete beginner, you can start with 2 to 5 minutes and gradually you can increase the amount of time. What is the best time to meditate? Well, there is no best or worst time to meditate. You can choose to do it anytime, in the morning, afternoon or in the evening. Personally, I prefer early morning meditation. Right after I wake up at the 5 a.m. in the morning, I go to in the park in the open air and start meditating for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. For how many days should I meditate? Many people believe that if they do meditate for 10 days, 21 days or just 1 month, that they can get the benefits of it. But that is not true. Important thing is not that you meditate 2 hours a day for 7 days, 21 days or just 1 month. But the most important thing is that you meditate 10 minutes a day but every day. You are going to reap its maximum benefits in the long run. Is there any side effect? There is no side effects of meditation. It helps you to improve your overall mental and physical health. It sharpens your memory, it enhances your focus and help you to activate your inner creativity so that you can bring wonders to the world. Now, if you are a complete beginner, if you want to practice with me for 5 minutes body scanning guided meditation, so let's begin, shall we? Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Relax your entire body. Now follow through. Focus on your inner eyes, on the toes of your feet. Now focus on the upper part of the feet. Focus on your heels. Now focus on your ankles. Now focus on the lower part of the feet. Release stress. Focus on your thighs. Release stress. Now focus on your back. Release stress from the tiny muscles. Focus on your spinal cord. Release stress. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Now focus on your mind's eyes on your chest. Stress release. Now focus on your stomachs. Stress release. Now give your mind's attention on your shoulders. Stress release. Now focus on your upper hands, down to the shoulders. Stress release. Your biceps, your triceps. Stress release. Focus on your elbows, down to the elbows. Stress release. Don't forget to take a breathe in and breathe out. Now focus on your wrists. Stress release. Focus on your mind's eyes on your fingers, each and every single fingers of your hands. Stress release. Your hands, thumbs, your middle fingers, your index fingers. Now focus on your mind's eyes, on the entire body, down to your neck. Feel relaxed, calm, and stress-free. Focus on your mind's eyes. Relax your shoulders, your upper hands, your lower hands, your back, your spinal cord, your stomach, chest, your thighs, your legs, your feet. Now focus on your mind's eyes on your neck, up to your head, your skull, your scalp, upper your scalp. Focus on your mind's eyes, upper your scalp. Feel as light as you can. Imagine stress is releasing. Now focus on your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks muscle, the bones of your face, your temple areas. Focus each and every single part from your mind's eyes. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Focus on your mind's eyes on your entire body, from your head to toe. Take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out. Feel as relaxed as you can. Feel as light as you can in your entire body, in your entire being. On the back count of 5 to 1, you have to bring your attention back in the present moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Feel the present moment as much as you can. Being fully grounded in the present moment. In this way, you can increase the amount of your focus just practicing this simple exercise every single day in the morning, right after you wake up. Thank you very much.